Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to introduce another noodle dish to you. Chinese have many different types of noodles. Yifu noodle is one of them. We usually call it yi min in Cantonese, which is a deep-fried egg noodle. In Cantonese Chinese culture, we created a noodle dish by using this yifu noodle that symbolizes longevity. It is a must-have in traditional Cantonese birthday banquet and also often seen in traditional Chinese wedding banquet. This noodle dish is called Braised yifu noodles, Gonxiu yi min. Today, I will share the recipe with you. Let's check out the ingredients first. A handful of yellow chives. Yellow chives are actually Chinese green chives, but growing in the dark. If you cannot find it in your area, we have to replace it with the green one in the hope of maintaining the flavor. Remove the decayed portion and then wash it thoroughly under the tap water. And then cut it to around 5 cm long. We also need 6 pieces of straw mushrooms. I used the canned straw mushrooms. Cut one mushroom to 3 slices. 2 shiitake mushrooms. I used the fresh shiitake mushroom. Dried shiitake mushroom is also fine. 2 cakes of yi min yifu noodles. Lastly, we need to prepare a sauce. 200 ml water, 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon sugar. If you want it sweeter, you can increase to 1/2 teaspoon sugar, some white pepper powder, a little bit vegetable and mushroom seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix everything together, then put aside waiting for cooking. Boil a pot of water to blanch the straw mushrooms first. Blanch for about 1 minute. Drain the water and then transfer to a plate. You can continue using the water to soften the noodles, but I like to change a new pot of boiling water. Put the noodle cakes to the boiling water. We just need to soften the noodle cakes. So once they are all collapsed, drain the water and rinse under the tap water to cool down the noodles. Now we start cooking. As the noodles are pre-deep fried, we don't need to use a lot of oil during cooking. Give a couple of sprays of oil to the hot pan and then we saute the shiitake mushrooms first. Saute the shiitake mushroom for around 1 minute and then put the straw mushrooms in. Saute the mushrooms for another minute. We can put the sauce in. Before putting the sauce to the pan, remember to give it a good stir first. Put the lid on, bring it to boil, and let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, taste the soup. We want the soup a little bit more salty than your usual preference to give the savory flavor to the noodles. Put additional salt in and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Then put the noodles in. Toast the noodles until every strips of the noodle coated with the soup. Now we can leave it to cook until boiled. At this point, there is still a lot of soup in the pan. Toast few times every couple of minutes until the soup is evaporated. Remember to toast very gently because this noodle symbolizes longevity, so we want to keep the noodles as long as possible. Now the soup is almost gone. We just need another set of toast. At this point, we can do a final taste testing. Add more salt if needed. Give a few toasts after adding the salt. Now you can see that the soup is all evaporated. Put the final ingredient, yellow chives, in. After putting the yellow chives in, we just need a few toasts to soften the yellow chives, and then this noodle is done. Look at it, all the soup are gone and the yellow chives are softened. So it is perfectly done now. They look so delicious. Every strip of the noodle coated with double mushroom sauce. This noodle dish is very simple and easy to cook and has a good meaning behind for celebratory events. Give it a try and I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!